Hello to all my fellow viewers from the United Kingdom and around the world. Another demonstrative pour and review on a perfect draft beer. This week's option of keg for my perfect draft machine is one that has been recommended to me by a good friend of mine from the area where I live, and it's a Belgian Pilsner at 5.2% in abbreviated strength, and it is called Jupiler. Here's the glass here. Unfortunately, the glassware I purchased from the Perfect Draft app only had the 250ml Jupiler glasses, which is a half pint. So, as this is brewware, I'm going to pour it in this. Once again, before you start pouring your first pint of the newly fresh keg, you must always take a little bit out first and swirl the glass around. And here we go now. Demonstrative pour, handle straight down, 45-degree angle. It's strange for me to have a half pint glass, I know, but as this was the only form of glassware I can find in this size, it'll do for once. A little slight bit of carbonation, but not as much as you'd expect from a proper pint in a widget glass. But it's got a lovely head to it, I must say. Let's smell the aroma. I must say, this is very crisp and quite light for the aroma. So, here we go. Iechyd da. Good health to you. Cheers. My goodness me. This Pilsner I have just tried is an absolute cracker. What a lovely, lovely Pilsner it is. And at the right temperature for me at 3 degrees. Nice and cool and very refreshing. Perfect enough to drink at any time of the year, really. So, Steve Griffiths, if you're watching this video, I would like to thank you for this excellent recommendation on a perfect draft keg. It was well worth it. Lovely, lovely drop of Pilsner, I must say. Not bad lacing too on the rims of the glass. I think the perfect food pairings to pair up nicely with this Pilsner would be something alongside some nice Belgian cuisine style of foods. If you're looking for the perfect snack, I'd say that would pair very nicely with a nice sweet treat being some Belgian chocolates, especially the dark ones. It's quite perfect enough to go with that rich blend. It blends, as this is a crisp light lager. So, Pilsner in the Belgian language, on the same subject, is in fact lager in that language. As it's a crisp style of beer, a lighter beer, this would pair very nicely with some rich style foods, including a dark version of Belgian chocolate. This Pilsner Jupiler gets a well-earned 10 out of 10 from Aaron's Ales. Thank you for watching. Please tune in again to watch the next video. Bye for now. No star.